Yo, what's good, guys? Producer Mykah here, and today we are gonna be remaking Oziba Rema and produced by London. So without wasting time, let's go. So quickly, we're just gonna be creating that, and trust me, guys, from listening to that beat, it's not gonna be very difficult to recreate that beat. So quickly, let's jump into our DAW, and I've used Audimi. I get lots of questions asking me what I use to convert the vocal, and I'm gonna leave a link. It's called Audimi. So I've used Audimi to convert the vocal, and the tempo of that beat or the tempo of that song is 148, man. So the default FL template is 140, but he went up. Shout out to London, man. Nice one. So yeah, so let's listen to what the vocal sounds like, and this is just the vocal.
All of my dads are legitimate me, everybody ain't gonna. Who be the girl this chicken keep it for me on what I like?
All right, so quickly, let's just go. I don't want to waste time on this. This is like gonna be like the fastest remake so far. So just a very simple clap bounce. So we have something like this. Let me just do it so you'll be able to see it on on the channel rack. So we have this, and I'm not going to use any swing. I think there was no like a swing there, so we just have this for our clap about this. But you need to go in. You cannot just arrange it on your channel rack. You need to go into your piano roll, and you can see a little bit of the swing has been done inside. So it's not it's not on the grid. It's been shifted a little bit, so it has that swing. Then for the kick, it's just a steady kick, a steady, normal kick like this. So but I'm just gonna go into and just increase the velocity. So we have this. Then we have our conga. Yeah. So and this is just like the whole vibe. So let me just put my soft clipper. So we are not clipping. So I can just, split my drums. So I have everything on a different insert. Have our drums. And this is just everything that was playing. Then there was a string, so a staccato string. So I'm just gonna go over to contact and bring in the staccato strings. The session strings 1, and just pick the staccato. Yep. So this is what our string is playing. So we have this. So that played like all through. So with the drums have, and that's just the whole vibe. So let me just save this quickly. And okay, so but there was like some cinematic hits. So I'm also gonna load in contact, and I'm gonna be using this library called Action Strikes, and just bring in some nice hits. So I'm just gonna be playing around. Yep. So let's give this hit and have this. Yes, I just need that to be hitting at. Then this just played all through, so we're just gonna copy this. Let's just put it into where the vocals come.
All of my dads are legitimate me, everybody ain't gonna. Who be the girl this chicken keep it for me on what I like? What are they getting? I read us we got just see back.
Then at this point, there was some nice bass and some strings and just some other stuff to beautify. So at this point, I'm gonna be adding a new snare, and it's gonna be this snare. Yeah, so I'm just gonna create another pattern. Let's call this snare. So we'll just put that here.
I'm a one, I go prove to this is somebody bad, somebody wicked. I go put my best to make all of una vex. Never multiple my set, I don't hit that set. To get put together for recession, you want get keep us a bitch on face.
Yeah, then at this point they were like, yep, nice. So let's put that down here also. Nice. And what else? I think there was some like a bass. So for the bass, but before then, let me still try this contact. Let me see what I can get from the ensemble.
I go prove to this is somebody bad, somebody wicked. I go put my best to make all of una vex. Never multiple my set, I don't hit that set. To get put
this log from Splice, and let me just drag that in. So this is what the log sound like. So I'm gonna be using this. Just we have this.
I'm a one, they want that. I go prove to this is somebody bad.
Yes, I think I'm just as this. Yeah, something like
They
this.
get for recession, you want to keep us a bit jump face. Ozima, 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 Ozima,
Nice, nice. So I think there were like some random drum fills. So I'm just gonna put that here. Yeah, so I think I need like a transition, and let me just use this. And let's go with 4 bars. For the bass, I'm just gonna be using, yeah. So this might not be like the same bass that was used, but it's close to, it's we can actually use it. So it's called jazz bass. Yep. So and it started at this point. So for our bass, so we have this. We have this for our bass. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna send this to my mixer, and I'm just gonna use Fab Filter Saturn. Yeah, I'm just gonna bring out this down a little bit. I need more of the. Yeah, I need it like that way. So we have
Mykah, yes, I can say yes, Mykah's like a hair. I'm a one, they want that. I go prove to this is somebody bad, somebody wicked. I go put my best on Mykah on phone.
Yeah, so I'm not actually hearing it. So let's just see. So let me send my this. Yeah, so for this, I'm just gonna give it. Yeah, I really need to hear the bass. Yeah, so with our kick. So yeah, for this, let me just use my fruity limiter. Or I think I can use like kickstart. Use that and just put some strings. Yes, I think that.
Bossa da metula. Ela eu sei da arte, tu as demos da daddy. Veja aí, anda nigga, anda nigga, anda tiga. That it does a video, it made it happy that you keep it. It then it does that when you tell me you come up from make it for the 50. I'm a one, in my time, I go prove the house, and I was in the house, and I was in the house, me to the wall. You don't know why you do what you got, you do. Get what the bang, shift them back to back, bossa da metula. Tell you say that I see to ask them who's that daddy. They giant, I'm that nigga, I'm that nigga, I'm that figure. That it does a video, it made it happy that you keep it. It then it does that when you tell me you come up from make it for the 50. I'm a one in my time. I go prove to this is somebody bad, somebody wicked. I go put my best to make one of on that back. Look how much you put my set, I don't get that set. You put the game for recession, you want to cheap, what's a bit jump face. Ozima, 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 Ozima,
sounding like sounding like Osime.
Yep, guys. So you can see basically any beat you hear out there is actually very, very easy. And if you're in the Patreon, you're gonna get access to this FLP, so you could play around with. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.